In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock your OneDrive Personal Vault. If you're storing sensitive or personal information in your Personal Vault on OneDrive, it's crucial to know how to lock it to ensure its security. This short, straightforward tutorial will guide you through the process. To begin, let's navigate to your OneDrive. First, open your OneDrive account, making sure you're logged in with the right credentials. You'll notice several tabs and options on the interface. Find and click on the section labeled My Files. This area is where all of your stored documents, including the Personal Vault, can be found. Once you're in the My Files section, take a moment to look down the list of items until you spot your Personal Vault. It's typically marked with a specific icon indicating its secure status. Beside this option, you'll see a set of 3 dots aligned vertically, usually referred to as the More Options icon. This icon is your gateway to additional actions that can be performed on the Personal Vault. Clicking on these 3 dots will present you with a collection of choices. Among these options, you should see an option labeled Lock. Selecting this option will initiate the locking sequence for your Personal Vault. When you lock the vault, it effectively shuts away all data within it, keeping it hidden and inaccessible to anyone else, even if they have access to your OneDrive account. This feature is indispensable for maintaining privacy and protecting sensitive documents from unauthorized access. After you click Lock, you might notice a brief moment of processing while OneDrive secures your vault. Once it's locked, the vault's data is shielded until you decide to access it with your authentication method, such as a password or fingerprint, depending on your device capabilities. In wrapping up, remember that regularly locking your Personal Vault is a good practice, especially if you're using shared devices or want to add an extra layer of protection. Should you need to access your vault again, a simple login process will allow you back in. This ensures that your files remain as secure as the day you stored them. By following these simple and precise steps, you now have the ability to lock your OneDrive Personal Vault with confidence, securing your most important files with minimal effort. Thank you for joining me today, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials on navigating technology safely and efficiently. Stay secure, and until next time, happy computing.